今日咧係我哋第9屆香港迪士尼樂園度假區親善大使誕生嘅一個大喜日子啊！
I thank all of the people, all of the finalists, and everyone who has enrolled in the Ambassador Program in supporting such a fantastic tradition and being a part of the Ambassador Program here at Hong Kong Disneyland. The Ambassador role also needs to represent what we believe in our cast-first environments.
Hong Kong Disneyland Ambassador is Lily Chan。
最大嘅得着，我覺得係喺過程裏面發現好多同事嘅愛咯，即係每一樣嘅事能夠做到咧，其實背後咧有好多人俾意見我啦，俾好多鼓勵我啦，先令到嗰件事成功。當你有勇氣踏出第一步，好多嘅同事會嚟支持你，所以只要有勇氣咧，我好相信夢想咧係一定會成真。
Our second ambassador is Charlie Day。
I'm grateful because they say this is a making of history and I'm proud of it. And I'm also so grateful for the support and the faith from my leaders and my friends and family. As Walt Disney said, if you can dream it, you can achieve it. I think be patient with yourself, be patient with what's going on around you, and hold that faith and keep chasing the dream.